Linking your bank account to First United Bank can streamline your banking experience, allowing for easier transfers and management of your finances. Follow these steps to successfully link your bank account. Step 1. Gather your information. Before starting the linking process, make sure you have all necessary information at hand. This includes your bank account number, routing number, and any personal identification details required for verification. Step 2. Log into your First United Bank account. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings or management section of your online banking dashboard. This is typically found in the main menu or under your profile options. Step 4. Select Link External Account. In the account settings, look for an option that says Link External Account or Add Bank Account. Click on this option to begin the linking process. Step 5. Enter your bank details. Follow the prompts to enter your external bank account information, including the account number and routing number. Review the information for accuracy and submit your request. You may need to verify the linking through a confirmation process, such as a small test deposit. After completing these steps, your bank account should be successfully linked to First United Bank. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.